Okay, so this is an old PowerPoint, but for demonstrational purposes, this will do. I can do this proof of ability, but these were my summer plans for the summer of 2021, I guess, right? Yeah, so it included playing with my dog. That is my husky. His name is Legan. He is almost 12 years old. He weighs 93 pounds. Yeah, he's my pride and joy. This summer I took a Spanish class. Super fun. It was a lot of work, but it was fun. I moved into Clifton, so that was fun. Hung out with my boyfriend. And work and made money, which didn't go as well as I thought because I spent all of it immediately because I have no self-control. Anyways, thank you for coming and listening to my TED Talk, and next time this will be for my favorite psychobiology thing, so yeah, stay tuned.